Hey queens, it's Ashley back with another video. Welcome back to Crown of Beauty, and today I'm going to be doing a review of Juvia's Place and their new foundation and concealers. So today I have the I Am Magic collection. This is the Velvety Matte Foundation, and it's in this coral beautiful packaging here. And the directions say to apply product with a wet beauty sponge or a synthetic makeup brush. And it says it is a full coverage foundation, which, one, I love matte foundations, but nothing too matte, so I love that it will have a velvety finish to it. I did try it and do a first impressions earlier this week, but I didn't do a final look, so I just wanted to add this portion into the video as well. The color that I matched for myself is Burkina number 310. I'll also put the spelling of it and everything in the description box below. This is a 1 fluid ounce container, and it is a squeeze package, so no pump or anything like that. But this is good because it doesn't seem like it would make a mess or anything like that. So I've already primed my face, and I've already wet my sponge. I think I'm going to put a little bit on my sponge. I put 1 pump here. Hopefully that's not too much. And I'm just going to dab it onto different points of my face like that. And start buffing it out. I'm loving the coverage of this. Amazing. And as you can see, I've matched the color pretty well. It feels really light. Like, it doesn't feel like I have on makeup, but obviously I do. So yeah, I'm really happy with the color. Really happy with the full coverage. I would say it definitely covers any acne blemishes that I have, things like that. Beautiful color. And I believe they have over 40 shades, so it's very I won't say easy to find a color because there's so many to choose from, but they do have it sorted from different kingdoms that you can choose from if you're more on the lighter end or tan or medium, dark or deep shades as well. So I do love that. I'm loving this. So this is the foundation. Now, this is the concealer that I also matched myself for. I'd like a concealer with like a golden yellow undertone. This is number 13. I don't know if it has a name to it, but it's shade number 13. So I'm going to use this for the under eye. Oh wow, it's so creamy. Really easy to apply. I don't have to dip back into the container. It spreads so easily. Gonna put a little bit on my forehead. Down the bridge of my nose. Above my upper lip. And right there. Alright. So I'm going to use my same sponge. I'm going to let it sit for a little bit, but I'm just going to go ahead and blend it out. And I'll be following that up with some setting powder. Now they just released a setting powder, but I haven't ordered that yet. So for today, I'm going to use the Maybelline finishing powder in medium deep, the color 30. And I'm going to follow that up with their concealer in number 6. So this is a deeper shade that I'm going to use to contour. Okay, so let's blend this out. Really easy to blend. I'm loving the shades that I picked out. Oh, that's beautiful. A really beautiful highlight. Looks like a natural glow. Very radiant. I love the creaminess to it. It's definitely very smooth and velvety as well. Not as matte as the foundation, but that's good. It's like, sorry guys, so this is when my camera cut off. My battery was super low, so I tried to charge it for a little bit and then come back on camera so I can give you guys a finished look. That was the whole point of this video. So what I did in between time was put the setting powder under my eyes to set my highlight color, and I also have added the contour shade, as you can see, and I'm just blending that out with a brush. I'm not using the sponge for this part because I just know my limits with makeup. If I was to use the sponge, then I would have gotten it everywhere. So the brush helps me apply it to exactly where I want it to go. So I'm just letting the under eyes bake for a little bit. I do tend to get oily, so I like to bake. And also what I was saying before the camera cut off was that I appreciate that the concealer is a lot creamier than the foundation because it's a good balance between the two. It's not two matte products which can come off very dry. So that's what I was saying about that. So now I'm just dusting away that powder that was sitting there and kind of just blending everything together for a flawless finish. So for this final look, I've added some blush and highlighter to my cheeks, all from Juvia's Place. I'm loving this look, and if you're loving this video, make sure that you subscribe and hit that subscribe button down below, and make sure you like this video. See you next time.